Moving on to exercise 9-5, we are now going to prepare a direct materials budget. So in the previous case, we had seen a sales budget and then a production budget. Now we are getting down to some details and saying how much material would I need. So in this case, the company has adopted the following production budget. They've said that we need, in the first 4 months of 2017, 10,000, 8,000, 5,000, and 4,000 units respectively. That's how many units they need to produce. Then they tell us that each unit requires 2 pounds of raw material, which will cost $3 per pound. At the end of 2016, inventory on hand is 4,000 pounds of raw material. Management wants to have raw material inventory at the end of the month equal to 20% of next month's production requirements. They want us to prepare the budget for the first quarter, that's the months of Jan, Feb, and March for next year. So let's go to Excel once again and see what we have here. So in this exercise again, I've written down the basic information. They've told us how many units we need to produce. The materials required are 2 pounds per unit. So I've multiplied the units by 2 in order to get how much materials would be required for the production for each month. So again, our goal over here is to calculate how much we need to purchase. What is going to be used in production is what we're looking at, and used in production, what the emphasis here is on how much should be purchased. Okay, so the planning over here is for purchase. They've given us the beginning number for the month of January. They've told us it is 4,000. They've told us the purchase price is going to be $3, and our ultimate goal is to calculate this purchase dollar amount. Okay. The next number I put down over here is what's going to be used in production. This raw material needed, that's what I have as used in production. Okay. Then we are going to calculate the ending balance to be 20% of the next month. So 20% of the next month number is what I have over here. So just as we had done in the previous exercise, we are going to solve for the one unknown in the equation, and this tells me how much I need to purchase in the month of January. Okay, so my dollar amount of purchase is going to be, let me put this in a different color so we can see it. Okay. The amount I'm going to spend on purchase in the month of January is going to be 57,600. 19,200 times 3,000. Okay, what do we remember about ending balance in January? That becomes beginning balance in Feb. We have one unknown in the equation. We solve for the one unknown. Ending balance in Feb becomes beginning balance in March. Again, solve for the one unknown, and we have these numbers here. The purchase price stays at $3. They haven't told us anything about a change. I will do the purchase price times the number of units I need to purchase. And this now tells me how much I will spend on raw materials each month. So it's not what I'm using in the month, it's what I'm using in the month plus what I want to keep for next month minus the beginning balance. So the same formula over and over again is what we're looking at. What I have at the beginning of the month plus purchases is what's available for use, minus what I actually used tells me what the ending number should be. So this is planning in terms of how much money I'll have to spend in each of these months.